Course Pages Overview. From your dashboard, go to Courses and open up a course, or go across to the Pages tab. Now, inside the Pages tab, inside of a course or a bundle, you'll find a series of pages. The first page is a sales page. The second page is the checkout page, and then you have the checkout thank you page after purchase. And then we finally have a course access page. The course access page is private, and you can only get to this if you've bought the course. So this is a private area. In fact, the thank you page is also private, because you can only get to that after the checkout. Now, if you look at this page formula, you'll see that it runs down like a funnel, because that is exactly what it is. It's a sales funnel into your course. Inside of the sales pages, you can configure these how you would like them to show. The course access page will show the curriculum, which is set in here. The curriculum page, which is not shown in the pages, is actually called the course player or curriculum page, and that's shown inside the course access page, which you can gain access to. So you can see that inside of the pages tab, you can see how many visitors, total views, conversion rates of all of the pages throughout your course or bundle. You can also grab the URLs for each of the pages, and you can preview them here. And you can also edit them. This is an overview of the Course Pages tab. Please look at the support documentation for detailed information on sales pages, checkout pages, thank you pages, and the course access page, and how you can configure these and make them work with any design that you can think of. This is the course pages inside of your courses or bundles inside of Zenler.